Hi ladies, this is Christina from Pretty and Pink Supply, and I am going to show you how to put a bow like this together. It's super simple. We use our bow strips from the shop. So here's our stars and our stripes. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take both bow strips, I'm going to combine them into one. So we can get two bows out of these two strips, but they're going to be half and half just like this. And then I'll show you how to put on a clip and how to tie it and all of the stuff. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your two bow strips. You're going to make sure that they are lined up correctly. Both of like the angles are facing the same way. Okay, once you figure out that they're lined up, then you're just going to fold them in half. Make sure all your ends meet nicely together. And kind of just gently tug on it to make sure everything's smoothed out. And you're just gonna get a pair of scissors and you're gonna cut right down the center. So that way you end up with two strips just like this. And if you purchase bow strips from us, they do already have an opening in the center. So it makes it a little bit easier when we're going to sew these. So what I'm gonna do is we're still gonna make sure that they're lined up right. So you see how my angle goes this way? I'm gonna flip it so it matches the star fabric, just like that. And then we are just gonna slide this in there. And if you want, you can tuck this in. You don't have to, I didn't do it on this bow, but you can tuck in the edges and you can pin them. That way you just have a little bit of a cleaner look. I guess I can go ahead and do that. So let me just fold it over just a little because you want to make sure you're not losing too much of your bow size. And then we also just got some new cotton fabrics in, so I'm going to do another tutorial showing you guys how to make these bows because they are so simple and you can do so many more fun prints. So our cotton fabric, I believe we sell in like a half yard, full yard, and by the fat quarter. So these would be perfect, like the type of bows to make with the fat quarters. All right, so you see how it's all tucked in nicely. Make sure it looks nice and straight. I can't get this one corner. And if I had an iron, I would just kind of press it down to make sure everything is staying there good. Okay, so let me grab my pin and just pin that together. And then we are going to stitch this part up. All right, before I start sewing, I just want to mention you want to fold it back together and just make sure that your center is where it's pinned. That way you didn't lose any length on either side, that they're even. And you're just going to do a forward stitch and then a back stitch just to make sure that nothing comes undone. And I'm going to pull out my pin. And then once you are done sewing, you're just going to trim off any threads. Make sure everything looks nice and stitched together. So once your bow is stitched, your two sides are stitched together, you're just going to fold it in half just like this. Make sure everything lines up nicely. And then you are going to tie it. So you're going to grab your two ends and you're just going to wrap them around like this. And a good way to keep them like even and everything nice and neat is you want to make sure this back side is laying straight before you start pulling, and then this front side is not all twisted up and it's laying straight. And then you're going to gently pull, and what you want to do is you want to grab, so figure out your center, like do you want it more bunched, so you kind of just bunch it up, and then you're going to grab these two ends and the back side of your left loop, and you're just going to pull the back side, and it kind of tightens that center. Then you're going to do the same thing for the right side, but instead of pulling the back, so you're gonna hold these two, you're gonna pull the front, and it just kind of tightens that all up. And you have this cute little bow, and then you can kind of just adjust as needed. So normally when we do fabric bows, I slide them through the back, but for this one, I'm gonna just glue on my clip to the back. So let me grab my glue gun. Look how cute that is. And I'm just gonna glue it right over the stitch so you don't really see it anymore. And then another idea, if you are doing like bows like this, or if you make your own, it's always a good idea just to put like a little dab of glue underneath here and then back in here, so that way your bow doesn't come undone. Because I've had like where Allie, my little baby, is wearing one of these or any kind of bow, and if it's not like secured good, then it can come undone. So any type of bows that are tied, you always want to make sure they're not going to come undone. Even if you were to sew through and do a few stitches, you could do that. But glue works just as good, and it'll hold everything in place. Let me grab my glue gun. So what I would do is I would just get in there. You don't want to get it on your fabric, so you want to try and get underneath, and just a little drop of glue, not much, and then you just kind of cover it up. So you can't even see that. And it kind of just makes sure that nothing is going to come undone. Same thing with the back. And you don't want to do this until you know like your bow is exactly how you got it and looks nice and even and all of that. All right, and then with my clip, I'm using our small clip, which is I believe 1 3/4 maybe. All right, and I'm just gonna glue that on. And depending how the baby's or whoever's wearing it, how their hair goes, like if they do a left side part or a right side part, you would do the clip that way. So that's it. Super simple. And like I said, we have all kinds of new fabrics, cotton fabric by the yard. So I am going to be sure to show you guys how to make these from the start. So instead of just bow strips, I'll show you how to actually get your bow strip. So that way you can use like any type of fabric, which would be really fun. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more videos soon.